Hi guys, I'm Diane Carol, and I'm from Darwin. So, I'm the biggest fan of Taylor Swift, Justin Derulo, Jacob. He's kinda cute. And actually I just like Justin Derulo because he got lots of tattoos. And I like Jacob. So I'm my brother's friend. That's his friend. My review the other one. I close the door. Yeah. Bye.